Hello everyone and welcome to another video where we are going to discuss some multiple choice question of subject Environmental Studies chapter 5, which is social issues and environmental education. So let's begin. Which of the following is not an IT tool used for environment and public health? Arogya Setu app, artificial intelligence, MS Word, GIS. And the answer is MS Word. GIS stands for Geographical Information Systems, Geological Information System, Geographical Importation Systems, or Geographical Information Solutions. Correct answer is Geographical Information Systems. Next, adult education is formal education, non-formal education, primary education, and group education. And the correct answer is non-formal education. Sustainable development by solving problems of environment is taught at post research level, college university level, high school level, primary school level, and the correct answer is college university level. Formal environmental education begins at research level, college level, high school level, primary school level, and the answer is primary school level. National River Linkage Project includes interlinking of dash rivers across the country through a network of dash storage dams. Is it 30 rivers and 3000 storage dams, 37 rivers and 3000 storage dams, 40 rivers and 3000 storage dams, or 47 rivers 3000 storage dams? And the correct answer is 37 rivers 3000 storage dams. Watershed within Cropfield is called as micro watershed, small watershed, large watershed, all of the above. And the correct answer is micro watershed. National River Linkage Project hydropower generation proposed is about 3400 megawatt, about 44,000 megawatt, about 34,000 megawatt, or about 4400 megawatt. And the correct answer is about 34,000 megawatt. Any spatial arrangement from which runoff from precipitation is collected and drained through a common point or outlet is called as green belt, rainfall, watershed, rainwater harvesting, and the correct answer is watershed. EIA can be seen as measuring tool, product, multiplying tool, none of the above, and the correct answer is measuring tool. The study to predict the effect of proposed activity or project on the environment is known as Sustainable Development, Environmental Impact Assessment, Environmental Improvement, Environmental Cultivation, and the correct answer is Environmental Impact Assessment. Narmada Bachao Andolan is initiated by Nana Patekar, Amir Khan, Medha Patkar, Sardar Patel, and the correct answer is Medha Patkar. Dash is supposed to be working not for profit but for the cause. Is it NGO, CGO, GOO, NGO? And the correct answer is NGO. Next, NGO stands for Non-Governance Organization, Non-Government Optimization, Non-Government Organization, or Non-Government Organizer. And the correct answer is Non-Government Organization. Maharashtra Pollution Control Board is established on 7th September 1980, 7th September 1990, 7th September 1970, or 7th September 1960. And the correct answer is 7th September 1970. Central Pollution Control Board is formed to prevent environmental pollution, to promote environmental pollution, practice the environmental pollution, or all of the above. And the correct answer is prevent environmental pollution. Which among the following is not an act of environmental protection? The Biomedical Waste Rule 1998, Recycled Plastic Manufacture Usage Rule 1999, Construction Demolition Waste Management 2016, Conservation of Plastic Waste and Increasing Act 2 2016. And the correct answer is Conservation of Plastic Waste and Increasing Act 2016, which is not an act of environmental protection. Both formal and non-formal environmental education must have dash goals, different goals, common goals, two goals, or is it all of the above? And the correct answer is common goals. Mankind needs environmental education for environmental pollution, environmental degradation, environmental protection, environmental publication. And the correct answer is environmental protection. Formal environmental education represents education within the classroom, outside the classroom, or both within and outside the classroom, or none of the above. And the correct answer is within the classroom. Dash is a hydrological process where water moves downward from surface water to groundwater. Rainwater harvesting, groundwater recharge, green belt development, or all of the above. And the correct answer is groundwater recharge. An ability or capacity of something to be maintained or to sustain itself is known as biodiversity, ecology, sustainability, all of the above. And the correct answer is sustainability. Article 48A was added by Constitution of India by the Dash Amendment in 1976. 22nd, 32nd, 42nd, or 542nd. And the answer is 42nd. The state shall endeavour to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the dash and dash of the country. Forest, human life, wildlife, plant, trees, or forest, wildlife. And the correct answer is forest, wildlife. It shall be duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lake, rivers and wildlife, and to have dash for living creatures. Competition, concurrence, compassion, or contingence. And the answer is compassion. The Article 48A in the Constitution of India represents directive principles, fundamental duties, both directive and fundamentals, or none of these. Answer is directive principle. The Article 51AG of Indian Constitution represents directive principles, fundamental duties, both directive and fundamental, or none of this. And the answer is fundamental duties. So these were the some important questions from the 5th chapter, which is social issues and environmental education. So here we have covered all the 5 chapters. Videos of all this are there in my channel. You can check them. Thank you.